Well, it's now 8 o'clock in the evening. We got our first viewer. Once that name pops up, we'll give you a nice little wave. Yep, Chris Moulton, first one of the evening. How's it going, old boy? We got Megan there. So we're going to take a few minutes. Tonight I got prepared for all of this. We got the Hahn up there in the corner. We got some more baby Bellas. We're going to be stuffing them up tonight. I actually put my Viking beads out. Those came from my girlfriend. They got runes on them. All I do is randomly grab a couple, 3 of them and toss them on. So far it's given me pretty good luck. Here's the big one I used the first time around. The others are just a tad bit smaller. Some crazy fool dropped this thing off for me for getting 300 likes. I did take a sneak peek, but I figured I'd open it in front of you guys. We got ourselves some Viking blood. Some good old mead right there. There's another little surprise in there that we're going to break out a little bit later. But we did say we were going to start this show off with a bang. So I'm going to take you guys outside for a minute. Some more ingredients, another bottle of the bat. We'll take you guys outside. We'll get this going. So here I am. I got the beads in this evening, all 3 of them. Got my disturbed tank top on. You know, it's only about 20 degrees outside. Figured we ought to be in the tank top this evening. This evening I got myself a camera girl. She's going to run this camera for me while I'm out here playing around a little bit. Be my daughter Dahlia. She's pretty excited tonight. She even gets to try to make her own food this evening. I do know it's a little dark right there, but you'll be all right. Things will lighten up here in just a second or two. So we're going to spin you cats around. That's a little bit better right there. So we're going to get the camera girl to come over here and hold this thing. Except for I done forgot my lighter inside, so she's going to hold it right there. That's the big old pile of brush we're going to burn. You give me a second. I forgot my lighter. I do apologize about that. I've been prepping for about 2 hours when it comes to everything. So I'm just going to stand next to her here and we'll get this angle down a little bit. We're gonna start this evening off. We got one right there. We got a couple more in the pocket. These fireworks is legal up in Maine, but I used to bootleg them years ago. Never got caught, never got in trouble, but it was fun. Gotta love it when you bootleg them. So we got one last one here. So we start this right off with a big old bang. I hope everybody appreciates it. So now that we got the big bang done, we'll mosey back inside and we'll cook some food. I hope everybody appreciated it. Worked at that for a little while. Took a little bit getting that going. Be hard to believe it took that long to get it going. You're not with me. That's how we light off fireworks. Get ourselves blow torch. Get ourselves right down to nothing but a shirt. We light them up.
Oh, a long time. Wow. Wow. Yes. Oh, they're beautiful.
This is our last one right here. We're going to go inside. We're going to cook up some grub.
Literally grab. Wow! Light show!
Look at that. We had one tip right over, mister.
That's
Straight off me.
that one scared me.
That's why I got you over there, monkey, away from all the danger.
Yeah.
Lost them pretty good there. We only had one that tipped over. You cold? Yeah, I figured you would be.
My fingers are frozen.
So we'll get you guys flipped around a little bit. Maybe over here in the light a little there. This is how we roll up here in Maine. Hope you guys all enjoyed that. Get a little bit of light behind me. Like I said, we're at about 20 degrees. We're outside lighting fireworks with torches. So now we're going to go inside and we're going to fill the horn up. We're going to get some food. I told you it'd be a little bit epic this evening. We only had one tip over. Had one of them nice little sparks bounce off me, but she'll be all right. Ain't nothing I'm scared of. I got me a shirt here somewhere that I took off. We'll have to get that tossed back on inside so we can be a little sanitary while we're cooking this food. But I do hope you guys enjoyed that. We got 300 likes. We've only been doing this for a few days. So I'm pretty amazed with that. I'll set you guys over here. Don't mind me, I am gonna step back a little bit. Get this shirt back on. Guess we probably riled the dog up a little bit. But I figured this evening it'd be worth it.